Welcome to another tutorial for TS Power. Now we'll learn more about the subgroups tool. So please go watch the previous video on subgroups first. So now we have chosen a variable called per capita income per household. We have opened subgroups. We have chosen group by region, and now we're seeing the averages across region for this variable. But what if you want more than that? What if you want the average wage for people in the north, average per capita income for people in the north, for people of a specific age group in the north, and maybe even more conditions? Well, you can do that easily here by first, after you have selected group by region, click on the word north. And now let's go to, say, age, and let's group by age. And let's pick some ages that we like: 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Now we have those two things, right? So what do we do now? If you just click on this right now, you will just still get one box and whisker plot for all the data that you have for this variable. But if I check mark those two things, now if I click on this, it will do a box and whisker plot just for the north of Thailand, for those people with those specific ages. So this is a much more in-depth look of the one variable. What we can also do is click on 1982 again, and if now we try to graph both of the selections, we will see that on the left-hand side we have the new selection, which is just everything in the data set. On the right-hand side we have this specific subset of the selection. You can most make so the same variable, and this is for north, and this is for those age groups for the same year though. Now if we go back to the second whisker, which was where we were, you can still see everything there. Another thing you can do is, instead of just box and whisker, you can use most of the other tools that we have. In fact, I believe all the tools with this conditioning thing. So you can always look at a specific subset of the data by clicking on those. So this could be very helpful when you want to look at more in-depth things. When you try to do map with this, it could take longer, because the more conditioning you have, the longer it takes to process things. But be patient and you'll get something interesting. Thank you very much.